Hey there, and welcome to the video. This one's all about the essential landscaping tools and equipment you need to get started, whether you're a total newbie or just need a refresher. We're going to go through the must-have items for yard care, so you can tackle any project with confidence. Get ready to transform your outdoor space. Now, let's talk about the backbone of any landscaping project, hand tools. These are the workhorses that make everything possible. We'll start with a trusty shovel, perfect for digging, moving soil, and planting. Next up, the rake, essential for gathering leaves, debris, and smoothing out soil. For finer tasks, a hand trowel is invaluable for planting, weeding, and transplanting. Then there are pruning shears, your go-to tool for shaping plants, trimming hedges, and removing dead branches. And, of course, don't forget a good pair of garden gloves to protect your hands while you're working. Now, let's talk about the power tools that can really transform your landscaping game. These tools save you time and effort, making your projects a breeze. First up, the lawnmower, your trusty sidekick for keeping your grass neat and tidy. Next, we have the weed trimmer, which helps you conquer those pesky weeds around fences, flower beds, and hard-to-reach areas. Finally, the hedge trimmer is your go-to tool for shaping and maintaining your hedges and shrubs, giving them a perfectly manicured look. Now, let's talk about keeping those plants happy and hydrated. Watering is crucial for a thriving lawn and garden. You'll want to have a good watering can for smaller plants in pots, and a hose for reaching those larger areas. Sprinklers can be a real time saver, especially for lawns, but remember, choosing the right irrigation system is important. Consider your yard size, plant needs, and even your budget to find the best fit. Proper watering is key to healthy, beautiful landscaping. Finally, let's wrap up with a few additional essentials that make landscaping tasks a breeze. A wheelbarrow is a lifesaver for hauling soil, mulch, and other materials around your yard. A garden cart is perfect for transporting tools and supplies, saving you trips back and forth to the shed. And don't forget about a good pair of work boots. They offer comfort and support, especially when you're working on uneven terrain or standing for long periods. These items might seem like small things, but they can make a big difference in your landscaping experience.